Now that your MaraX3 has become your daily partner, it's time to meet Pagaya and discover how to fine-tune every detail to craft your ideal cup. The Pagaya gives you full control over the water flow, allowing you to customize every cup to your preference. By rotating the Pagaya clockwise, you increase the water flow up to the maximum. Rotating it counterclockwise reduces the flow accordingly. As the power and flow rate are adjusted, you'll notice corresponding pressure variations displayed on the double manometer. We'll show you 2 flow profiles you can replicate to start using the Pagaya. Each recipe requires a dedicated grinding size, which also depends on the roast degree of the coffee in the portafilter. Flow profiling number 1. For medium roasts, we call this blooming profile. This profile is ideal for medium roasted coffee and helps highlight the aromatic complexity of your beans. Start with the Pagaya fully open. When the manometer needle reaches around 3 bars, close the Pagaya completely for a few seconds. This is the blooming phase. During this stage, water saturates the coffee puck, enhancing flavor and aroma. Then, fully reopen the Pagaya and continue the extraction until you reach the desired volume in the cup. Flow profiling number 2. For darker roasts or traditional coffee, we call this classic profile. This profile is perfect for darker roasts or more traditional blends, enhancing body and balance. Start with the Pagaya completely closed. Begin the extraction by opening the Pagaya to about its middle position and then lift up the lever. This allows a gradual pressure buildup and smoother pre-infusion. After a few seconds, fully open the Pagaya to reach 9 bars and complete the extraction. Stop the flow once you've achieved the desired amount in the cup. Now it's your turn. Experiment, adjust, and find your personal recipe. Enjoy full control over your extraction with the Pagaya and discover your own coffee signature.